what's up, bro?
I'm bored. We would buy the joint and wheat to you.
Yeah.
And Henry wants to talk with you. Hey, man.
Hey, bro.
How are you, brother?
Hey.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, boys, going to buy joint.
Where's the big story?
Where's the money, bro?
Here.
With the 3 girls call.
Oh, I got some girls for you, bro. Oh, what do you guys want? Hey.
Oh, what's that? Girl.
Yeah.
There is some down. Ang ganda mo si Dea. Ring. Ring. Hello? Hello, is this? This is Rizky. I'm gonna tell you something. The boy was getting some drugs in Malacanang, Taiko.